This video is brought to you by minisopuru. This looks pretty clean, right? And it's all because of this little device. This little docking station that I received from my friends at minisopuru. And yes, they did ask me to make a video about this device, but as always, my reviews are honest and I can say whatever I want to say about this device in this video. But before we're going to continue, let's check out the unboxing experience first. The device comes in this white box, and inside of it there's a black box containing the docking station. This is the back of the device containing the stuff that you don't want to see. And the front contains the USB-A ports, USB-C, and a 3.5mm audio port. And this will make sure it will not move around. And then we have some cables, of course. The USB-C cable to connect the device to your laptop, a USB-A to USB-C converter, a driver download stick, and some paperwork. And of course, the 36 watts DC power adapter. So yeah, that's basically it. A nice clean looking docking station that actually matches with the colors of my M1 MacBook Air. Let me show you how I installed it. So there's one USB-C cable from the laptop to the docking station. The docking station is connected to the DC power adapter, and one extra USB-C power adapter, as this will also charge the laptop. And then the monitor is connected with the HDMI cable. Clean and simple. But there are two main things that you really need to know about this device. First of all, in order to charge a laptop while using an external monitor, you need to use an extra USB-C power adapter as well. Secondly, the docking station doesn't have a SD card slot, so unfortunately you do need to use a dongle. But other than that, the docking station is pretty awesome. And let me tell you the reasons why. It supports up to 3 monitors. I did not test it yet, but I'm sure it will work. It is very affordable compared to other docking stations or to other competitors. Just look at the price, it's just very affordable. And yes, it looks good and it's just so clean looking. So this doesn't get warm or hot, so there are no overheating issues. I like it also that this thing doesn't move at all. Because of those rubbers at the bottom of the device, it just sticks to your desk. And finally, and very importantly, it just simply works. That to me is the key feature of this type of devices, right? You just want something that works day in, day out, without no hassle, without no weird things going on. Just it is alive and just keeps going. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you minisopuru for sending this device, and I'm pretty sure this will live on my desk till the end of time. As always guys, if you got any questions about this device, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if not already, like the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Stay safe and stay happy. Good luck. And it looks like my cat also loves this docking station.